Welcome to Machine Masters everyone. In this video we are going to replace consumable for CNC plasma machine starch. First of all, we are going to remove retaining cap, the nozzle, then electrode, then shield, then swivel ring. Here new part, nozzle for 200 ampere. Inspect properly, all seals are good. Shield, inspect tube, it is in good condition, no need to replace. Then fix it properly. Electrode, fix it properly. Make sure don't fix it too much tight. Fix swivel ring and nozzle, then put the shield. Inspect properly, there's no leakage. Fix it properly. Clean the whole torch. Check settings. It should be mild steel and 200 ampere. Check cut speed, curve, phase time, cut height, transfer height, arc voltage, arc current. It should be on full jog speed. Then OK. Check the part numbers, all are correct for 200 amperes. Thank you for watching.